Good morning, everybody. Our topic for today is carbohydrates. So carbohydrates are fundamental organic compounds found abundantly in living organisms. They are essential for life and play various critical roles in biological systems. Here is an depth introduction to carbohydrates. Origin and importance. Carbohydrates are primarily produced through photosynthesis, a process that converts carbon dioxide and water into glucose using light energy and chlorophyll. They serve as a major source of metabolic energy for both plants and animals, providing fuel for cellular activities. Apart from their energy-providing function, carbohydrates also serve as structural components, energy transport compounds, recognition sites on cell surfaces, and are essential elements in DNA and RNA. Structural diversity. Carbohydrates have a diverse range of structures and functions. They can be linear or branched chains of sugar units. The figuration of carbohydrates, including chiral centers, gives rise to a wide variety of stereoisomers with different properties. Importance in biology. Carbohydrates are essential for various biological processes, including energy production, cell signaling, and cell structure. They are crucial for brain function and provide a quick source of energy for the body. Analysis and reactions. Carbohydrates undergo various chemical reactions such as oxidation and reduction, which can help identify and characterize different types of sugars. Techniques like oxazone formation and chain shortening, lengthening are used to study the structure and properties of carbohydrates.
Characteristics. Energy sources. Carbohydrates are bodily preferred source of energy, providing fuel for cellular process. Structural role. Certain carbohydrates like fiber contribute to a structural integrity of plants and provide dietary fiber for humans. Classification of carbohydrates are classified into three main types. Are the starches and fiber. Chemical composition. Carbohydrates are organic compounds composed of carbons, hydrogen, and oxygen atoms. Primary source of energy. Nabanggit ko kanina. Types of carbohydrates. Carbohydrates can be classified into three main types. Nandyan rin. Role in metabolism. Carbohydrates play crucial role in metabolism, serving as the primary fuel source for brain, nervous system, and muscles. They are also contribute the synthesis of certain molecules such as ribose and nucleic acid and glycoprotein. Blood sugar regulations. Carbohydrates can impact blood sugar levels, especially those are quickly digested and absorbed, leading to rapid spikes in blood glucose levels. Choosing carbohydrates that are higher in fiber and lower in refined sugar can help regulate blood sugar levels more effectively. Functional roles. In addition to provide energy, carbohydrates have various functional roles in food, such as contributing in texture, flavor, and color. For example, carbohydrates like pectin and agar are used as thickener in jams and jellies, while sugar used for sweetness in baked goods and beverages. structure, structure of carbohydrates are made up of carbons, hydrogens. So here, monosaccharides, these are simplest carbon, consist of a single sugar molecule. Examples includes glucose, fructose, and galactose. Monosaccharides can exist as linear chairs or ring structures with carbon atoms forming a ring by bonding to an oxygen atom. Disaccharides, these are carbons composed of two monosaccharide units joined together by a glycosidic bond. Common disaccharides includes sucrose, nagnayon nga glucose and fructose, lactose, nagnayon nga glucose and galactose, and maltose, glucose and glucose. Oligosaccharides are carbohydrates composed of 3 to 10 monosaccharides unit linked together. They can serve as energy source, cell surface markers, and plays roles in cells recognitions. Polysaccharides are complex carbohydrates composed of long chairs of monosaccharides units. They can be linear or branch and serve various functions, include energy, storage, and structural support. Example includes glycogen, energy storage in animals, starch, energy storage in plants, and cellulose, structural component of plant cell supports. Glycosidic bonds, these are covalent bonds that link monosaccharide units together to form disaccharides, oligosaccharides, and polysaccharides. Glycosidic bonds can vary in their linkage type, such as alpha or beta linkage, which affect the properties and function of carbohydrates. Ring structure. Many monosaccharides form ring structure in aqueous solution due to the formation of hemicentral or hemictals. These ring structures can exist in different conformations, such as alpha and beta anomers, which can distinct properties and biological functions. 7. Branching. Some polysaccharides such as glycogen and amylopectin have branches structures where additional monosaccharides units are attached to the main chain via glycosidic bonds. Branching increases the efficiency of energy storage and facilitates rapid mobilization of glucose and molecules when needed.
Purpose, energy production. Carbohydrates are the body's primary source of energy, providing fuel for daily activities in bodily functions. Regulating blood sugar. Carbon helps regulate blood sugar levels, preventing spikes in flashes in energy, supporting digestive health. Dietary fiber, a type of carbohydrates, promote digestive health by regulation, bowel movement.
involvement in supporting the growth of beneficial bacteria. Health benefit: energy. Carbohydrates provide immediate energy for physical activity and support cognitive function. Digestive health. Dietary fiber from carbohydrates promote regular bowel movement and prevent constipation. Nitrogen absorption. Carbohydrates help facilitate absorption of certain vitamins and minerals in the digestive tract. Low fiber diet. Inadequate intake of dietary fiber found in carbohydrates rich food like fruits, vegetables, and whole grains can increase the risk of constipation, digestive disorder, and certain cancers.
So we see na overconsumption, excessive consumption of refined carbohydrates such as sugary snacks and beverages can contribute to weight gain, insulin resistance, and chronic diseases like diabetes. So risk in having lack of carbohydrates, low energy level. Carbohydrates are the body primary source of energy. Without an adequate intake, you may feel fatigued, lethargic, and have difficulty sustaining physical activity or mental focus. 2. Nutrients deficiencies. Many carbohydrate-rich foods also contain essential vitamins, minerals, and phytonutrients. A lack of carbohydrates can lead to deficiencies in nutrients like B vitamins, which are important for energy metabolism, and various minerals like magnesium and potassium. 3. Impaired cognitive function. The brain relies heavily on glucose derived from carbohydrates for energy. Inadequate carbohydrate intake can impair cognitive function, affecting memory, concentration, and decision-making abilities. 4 is muscle mass loss. Carbohydrates can help spare protein for its primary role in maintaining and repairing tissues. Without enough carbohydrates, the body may break down muscle tissue for energy, leading to loss of muscle mass over time. So 5 is the metabolic health issues. Severely restricted carbohydrate intake can lead to metabolic changes such as ketosis, where the body starts using fat for fuel, while some people intentionally induce ketosis for weight loss or other reasons. Prolonged extreme ketosis can have adverse effect on metabolic health. 6 is the hypoglycemia. Inadequate carbohydrate intake can cause low blood sugar level, leading to symptoms like dizziness, weakness, sweating, and confusion. Severe hypoglycemia can be dangerous and requires prompt medical attention. And the last one is digestive health. Carbohydrates, particularly those from whole grains, fruits, and vegetables, provide dietary fiber. which essential for digestive health. Insufficient fiber intake can lead to consumption, diverticulosis, and other digestive issues. Yun lang. So additionally, carbohydrates play crucial role in providing energy, supporting digestive health, and regulating blood sugar levels, but their consumption should be balanced and mindful to optimize health outcomes. Thank you.